going to the park with Ariana. And she's there. It's already late. It's 3 o'clock past. So, aalis pa lang kami. So today is a good day. It's very hot. Unlike before we came here, but it's heavy rain, and today it's very hot. It's perfect. Huh? You can take it off inside. Yeah. And today is Sunday. I think there's so many people inside the park. So they call this Malaysia Cartoon and Comic House over there. This is a new. There's a nice there. I don't know what is that.
I wanna go to the beach.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm so here we are, guys. We're going down. Oh. We are going in there, guys. It's very hot today. Napainit yan. It's so hot.
It's good though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I asked you to come here. I really miss to walk down here. Man, I shouldn't have worn a skirt. You're lucky you wear a skirt.
Why?
Because it's too hot. Oh my god, look at the banana. The banana yan, it's a big. The puso, guys. Ang laki. Puso.
Anything for fashion, man.
Aww. I hope sometimes you can go somewhere, or you can go here with C, right?
Yeah,
Is she far away from here?
We were talking about for the past week wanting to go ice skating or going shopping together.
Oh. No, not ice skate, not shopping, but go somewhere to eat, something like that. Have coffee. What's that yan? Is it fruit? Oh, it's supposed to be a man-made falls, but there's no water. Why there's no water today?
Don't eat it.
Ay, you don't eat. What's that? Lizard. Oh, okay. Okay, you can go. Yeah, I saw it there. It's too small. It's already gone. Gone over there. On a tree.
Fast.
Yeah, it is. Sayang, walang ano. There's no water today, but usually there's a water in there. But I don't know why they off it. It's so nice in here, guys. It's so ano yan. Kind of so relaxing, you know. Philippines in our house, we love to climb trees.
Oh my god, there's a lizard.
Bilate, where? Oh my god, this is so big, guys. This is a very big tree. Oh my god, look at that. That's a camouflage lizard.
We're only eating raw. Let's eat lunch together. No.
What if that lizard will chase you?
I'm gonna die. I'm wearing combat boots. I can't run with these.
You can run. You can run fast, you know. Oh my god, this is so...
Oh my god, it's going this way.
No, it's not. Where is it? It's so scared of you, man.
Bro, what if there's more inside the tree?
Look at that, guys. There's a moss in
I
it.
think there's more inside the tree.
Yeah, I think so. That's their house.
It's not moss, my guy. Oh my god, wait, it's climbing.
What are you looking for?
Lizard.
Possible.
I'm scared. I don't like lizards.
Look at this, guys. This is a very old tree and it's so big.
You know, I wanted to climb it, but now I regret speaking here.
Hmm? What did you say?
I wanted to climb it, now I regret like thinking.
Why? How you can
It's a lizard infested.
how you can regret? You didn't even climb yet.
No, I regret thinking it.
Oh, okay.
It's lizard infested. Oh my god, what if there's a...
Look at that. Very skinny. Do you know what is that tree called, Jen? It's like a coconut, but actually it's not coconut. You know what does that mean? You know what is that called?
Palm tree?
Is it palm tree?
No. What?
These roots. It's like a branches. It's not. This is too old. This is a very Garangan. Star fruit.
It's where?
There. That one.
Huh?
Oh my god. Look. Use your eyes. There's a star fruit over there.
I can't see.
In front of you, there's a small tree.
I know.
Tampakan
No,
talaga.
yung mosquito.
Where? It's nice in
Where?
here, but there's some mosquito.
Where? Oh wait, I found it. Never mind.
Some mosquito.
Let's see a one.
Yeah. Nobody owned that. Ang ganda. Huli ka. Huli ka. She's stealing fruits. Look at this. Actually, there's so many fruits. Yeah, there, over there. But Ariana doesn't know which one is ripe and which one is not. That's what happened if you not grow up on in the farm. You have no idea. Aray. And the flower is so nice. Look at this flower. Oh, look at this, guys. There's something strange. Is it? I don't know. Is it flower? This is not flower, right?
My whole body itches from the sun.
Ah, I know what is this. I think some people. Oh yeah, this one. This one, yeah. Some people in Philippines eat this one. I don't know if this. I think this one, right? It's like rice. Okay, it's too hot. Ayan, we're going up here. There. We're going to take a rest over there upstairs. Just go up. I just want to take a picture. I just want to take a video. Otherwise somebody will go there. Then we don't have space. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Ayan. Ariana's there. And here you go. Here you go. Masakit na yung paa ni Ariana, guys. But then, she still want to take a photo. So we're here. We're going back home. Why? Oh. Why, anak?
Okay, one more.
Yeah. Yes.
Sumimasen.
Huh? Okay, come, let's go home now.
Yela, tara, lagi.